Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this Hotwheels Ultra Hots Volkswagen T1 GTR bus. It says hottest metal cars in the world. Ultra Hots is a series by Hot Wheels where you see very different cars with modification where they have this flame paintwork and different wheels. I think I've got only few, but this one looked really good to miss out. So I've got this. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the T1 GTR bus out of its box, and as you can see it's a lower Volkswagen bus. It's got a hot flaming paint scheme going on. Number 25, good air, and these very different looking wheels. The top looks like it's mimicking carbon fiber kind of thing, or fiberglass. It's a modified bus. You can see there's roll cage inside it. You got some crazy vents, big wheel arches, and even the rear. Some good details on the rear too. Detailed tail lamp, number 25. Hot Wheels on the plate. Diffuser, huh? So yeah, it's seriously quick, I guess. When up front you've got good details. Detailed headlamp, Volkswagen badge, turn indicators. Even here you can see it's how wide. There's no bumper up front, and you can see those tiny windows. Side mounted exhaust, again suggesting it's a cool fast van. So the crazy thing about this casting is the entire top piece comes off. So let's take that off and show you what's inside. So once the top is off, you can see it's not your regular bus. It's a wolf hiding in sheep's clothing. It's a centrally mounted driving position. It's got some big ass engine here. Got crazy, you can say crazy work on it with all the roll cage and everything. Definitely a custom car built with custom suspension and everything. It's a race machine. Crazy, huh? There's the top. So I wasn't expecting that. I didn't knew that when I bought this, that the top comes off. But once I opened it up, I saw it. There was a small opening here where you can lift the top off. Looks really good. Should you get it? Definitely get it. You're gonna love it. Putting the top back isn't that hard. You just slot it here. See those grooves? Slot it here. There you go. You have your top back. So overall, I love this. This is really good, and will definitely make a good addition to the rest of Volkswagen buses I have. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.